Hello students, Instructor Pamela here. I would like to give you an overview on how to navigate your coding books. Remember, first thing is that your coding books are all reference books, which means all of the answers that are on the National Certification Coding Exam is in the books, as well as any type of research that you have to do for your daily task at your daily task at your jobs. You'll be utilizing these reference books as well. So as you've noticed, there are different sizes, and even if you don't have all the 3 books, you'll notice that the books are smaller or bigger than the 3. For example, the ICD-9 book is the largest book. Your ICD-9 book houses the diagnoses and the diseases of the ailments of the patients, as well as any inpatient surgeries that are performed during an inpatient stay. Your CPT book, it's smaller than the ICD-9 book. It's usually a yellowish color with purple letters, but there are different publishers. Those are mainly for all of your outpatient services, except your E&M section. The Evaluation and Management section actually houses inpatient and outpatient services, such as skilled nursing services, neonatal, inpatient admission, outpatient emergency room, of course, physician visits. So your Evaluation and Management section in the CPT book is actually inpatient and outpatient codes. And you'll know what codes you will be working with because at your job they'll tell you if they code E&M codes for any of their services. And then your HCPCS book is part of the HCPCS system, which is the HCPCS 1 would be the CPT book, and then the HCPCS 2 book would be the actual HCPCS book. They try to make it a little bit more confusing as they can, but the HCPCS systems just include the CPT book and the HCPCS book. So your HCPCS book has the durable medical equipment and all healthcare supplies that are used throughout the industry for from supplies to anything that has to be implanted for a patient, and medications, different procedures that are for screenings, so on and so forth. So those are the 3 main books. Remember, the reference books, so there's no need to memorize anything. You're always going to match. What you want to do is get familiar with the books. Okay, so how to navigate through the books with the ICD-9. When you are looking for your diagnosis code, let's say pneumonia, first thing you do is go to your Volume 2 alphabetical index, which is in the front of the book after your anatomical plates and the guidelines. That's in order from from A to Z. So you will go to your P's, and then you will go down, scroll down the page. You can also use a ruler or a straight edge. It's very helpful so you don't miss any information being provided to you. You go to the pneumonia code, and then you take that pneumonia code. You can either write it down or remember it, and then go to Volume 2, which is in the middle of the ICD-9 book, where you'll verify that pneumonia code to see if that's the correct pneumonia code that matches the documentation in the doctor's documents. So that's how you use how to find your diagnosis codes using the alphabetical index with going straight into your Volume 1 where the actual code is found. The same thing goes for Volume 3. You would look for the surgery. So let's say colonoscopy. You go to your C's, find the code for the colonoscopy. You would go to the area where the colonoscopy is being directed to, match the code description to the doctor's documentation, and that's how you find the surgery codes for the inpatient surgeries. So I'm going to continue with the CPT book and HCPCS systems on part 2 because we have 5 minutes and I'm coming to a close. So I'll see you here shortly. Journey well until next time. Instructor Pamela, thank you for listening. Bye-bye.